Hi everyone. So as we already know that we've discussed about Six Sigma earlier in the older lecture about the brief of it. So I want to talk about Six Sigma Yellow Belt, the brief basic of it with the example. And okay, so we'll talk about first of all, is Six Sigma applicable in every situation? So first of all, I already talked about that Six Sigma is a methodology to improve the processes in any sort of industry or organization, right? It can be, manufacturing, service, medical, construction. This is type of a technology or methodology which can be used in the process which is already existing in the organization, and we have to improve that to eliminate the waste, right? So Six Sigma is applicable in every situation, professional and personal. So personal, I will talk about that later. Professional, first of all, I'll talk about how the Lean Six Sigma person, the one who is initiating that in the organization, that person should be of what skills, should be having of what the skills. So listening skills should be better, right? You want to improvise something in a process which is already existing in an organization, so you have to listen to them first, then only you have to know the pain points of that area, and then you have to work on it, right? So let's talk about the story here. I don't want you to go through these notes, but I just want to express about the story. There is one medical transcript business. A person is hired by that medical officer, wherein there was all the mismatch and the mess up things are already there in the organization, right? So what is actually happening is that the sales and the orders are getting low. What they have to do is that they were getting reports from the other organizations, or you can say the domain in the medical line itself, and the medical transcript business is nothing but they have to decode it and make the reports of it, whatever they are able to listen, right? So what is happening, that the staff was not able to report to the office properly on time, process hygiene was not there, metrics important method is applied or not. So these things need to be checked by the Lean Six Sigma person, right, who is hired to improvise the process. So basically, in a process which is there in order to get the sales, in order to support the clients, in order to help the patients, right, in order to get the reports and generate it and present it further, till the time it is not simplified, you are not able to present it in further. That means there is a decrease in sales. So first of all, employees must be well versed in any process. The process is taken over by the employees itself, right? So employees have to check and see whether they are working or performing as per the needs or not, as per the demands of the employees. Process must be stable. So where the Lean Six Sigma, the Six Sigma is applying to the domain where process must be stable. Employees must know about the processes, policies and procedure. There must be the existing process must be there. Employees must be disciplined. So if these things are not there, then the Six Sigma will not be applied in that process. So this was the basic of it. Suppose I got one process and I have to perform my expertise in that particular process, to improvise it, to show the basic what we can say, that the reports to that particular organization, that yes, okay, this needs to be improvised, and this was the outcome, this is the deviations we got, and this is the improvement. So this is what the Six Sigma is all about. We'll talk about the another concepts in the another video. Thank you.